Hey guys, I'm Steve Gonzalez. Welcome to our channel. Today we are in Sacramento, California. We're going to be giving you a tour of this beautiful home that's been on the market. It is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home that's been fully upgraded. It is a 2,000 square foot home that's on a 12,000 square foot lot. And the backyard is beautiful, the front yard is beautiful, the neighborhood's beautiful. We'll go ahead and show you some of that pictures, those videos. And also about a mile up the road is the American River. But first, let's tour the inside and outside of the home. But before we do, just want to let you know, we get calls, texts, and DMs from people just like you from around the country that are ready to make that move to Northern California. So feel free to hit us up any way you want, call, text, DM, and we would love to answer any of your questions. So, you guys ready? Come on, let's go. Okay guys, so here we are outside in the front. I want to show off this front yard, how big this home is with this big beautiful tree, nice green lawn. Again, a single story, beautiful neighborhood. Two-car garage, extended driveway. All right, let's go inside and check it out. Look at this brick face all the way through. And here we are on the inside. Again, I want to say that this was fully updated, and you start with the floors right here. All new vinyl flooring. New paint as well. Nice neutral colors. Got your brand new, it's like a light gray carpet. Semi-bay window with your plantation shutters throughout. It's a nice front room. Leads into the dining room. Could imagine having family dinners, get-togethers. Beautiful area. Again, this home is single story, 2011 square foot home on a 12,000 square foot lot. This is gonna lead to the beautiful kitchen. Check this out. Got your new cabinets throughout, nice white color, beautiful countertops. It's like a light gray, white. It's got speckles of brown, red, black. Bay window looking out to the backyard. We'll go out to the backyard when we get to the master bedroom though. Your stainless steel appliances by LG. Right here, beautiful cabinets all throughout. And here's your living room. What I like is this brick fireplace, and it's actually a gas fireplace. It's a pretty cool look. What do you guys think? So this house has had a $50,000 recent price reduction. It is now $800,000 list price. Through here, we're going to show you the bedrooms. This is the first one towards the front of the home. Again, new carpet throughout, new paint. There's your closet. More cabinet space. Full bathroom, shower, fully remodeled. Second bedroom, about midway to the house. That leads to your master bedroom. Beautiful size. Check out that window right there that leads to the backyard. But first, we'll check out this bathroom. Say hi.
Standing shower, fully remodeled. What the? Nice stand-up shower. Let's go outside. From your master bedroom to this huge backyard. Nice water fountain, beautiful palm tree. Is that a lemon tree? Very private. These trees have been here for a long time, and it's like you have no neighbors in the back. Love this covered patio. It's a really nice house, and man, the weather is beautiful out here. It's probably 72, 75 degrees right now. Okay, that's a tour of this beautiful house. We are gonna go now to the American River, which is around a mile up the way. So come on guys, let's go. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Like I said, we're gonna end it at the American River. This river is about a mile or less from the actual home that we toured today. And one thing that comes to mind every time I see a river, wish I brought my fishing pole. I wish I brought my swim shorts. It's absolutely beautiful. Again, if you guys have any questions, we get emails, DMs, texts from people just like you daily looking to make the move to Northern California. So feel free to reach out with any of your real estate questions, and we would love to help. And also, if you haven't yet, make sure give a little love to that subscribe button. That's Rose's thing, but I'm stealing it. And we'll catch you on the next one, guys. Have a good day.